This is the brief on the convergence of wetware and hardware. We've got a super punchy trailer for our grand synthesis episode today, showing how living cells and silicon chips are colliding in a massive way to completely redefine our relationship with technology. First, biology is basically acting like software. Remember our deep dive into basal cognition? We showed how planarian flatworms use a bioelectric network of gap junctions and ion channels to store geometric memories. The mind-bending part? Tweaking just that electrical pattern created a two-headed flatworm without changing a single line of DNA. It proves the brain isn't some dictatorial CEO barking orders down the spinal cord. Biological intelligence is actually a localized, distributed hive mind. Second, technology is acting exactly like biology. Think about edge computing and these new communication-aware, in-memory wireless neural networks. They integrate memory and compute locally, slashing wireless power consumption by up to 95%. Just like living cells, AI naturally wants to distribute itself. We aren't relying on some scary oracle in the cloud anymore. We're building a local silicon nervous system, kind of like how your skin cells heal a paper cut without asking the brain for permission. Finally, here's the hammer. The boundary between living wetware and manufactured hardware has completely dissolved. Both systems have abandoned the old centralized model, converging on the exact same geometry of distributed relational intelligence. So what actually happens when a distributed biological nervous system, you, walks into a continuously responsive distributed silicon nervous system? You absolutely have to check out the full episode 3 deep dive to see what happens when human biology meets this silicon nervous system, because our environment is fast becoming a companion organism.